Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on or enable pop-up window in Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on pop-up window, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, click on settings. Now click on privacy and security. Now scroll down, click on site settings. Again, scroll down, and the last option you will find pop-up and redirects. Click on it, and now click on the first option. Site can send pop-up and use redirect. Select it. Okay. Now, if you want, you can add any website here to allow to send pop-up and use redirect. Click on add, and you can type the site name. That I'm going to select my site, IT System Admin.net. Click on add, and look, the site is added to send pop-up and use redirect. Now I'm going to open another tab, and now I'm going to open Facebook. Now click on the lock icon on address bar, and you will find pop-up and redirect. Just allow it to allow pop-up and redirect for this site. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.